this is data validation tool. What it do is, we will have two Excel files. In the two Excel files, similar number of columns are there, and different fields. When you select a particular column heading in one source and another column heading in a second source, those columns must be same. So when we are selecting the same column, the values of that particular rows, how many rows are different from one another. I wanted to let you know that. Now just see, here I am selecting that source file, and this is the destination file. So when you are selecting these source and destination file, that advanced options will be enabled. When you hit on that, automatically it will be listed out all the column headings of that respective data source from source side and destination side, right? So columns will be almost same. So I made some changes inside source file. Where I made changes here, actually Brunosina Huffman, this is the one, just I made it Bohr. And one more thing, Andrew is there. Actually I made it Andrew, and here Peter Johnson something is there, but I made changes. 3 changes I have done, okay, in the source file. But destination file is different. Destination file is also same, but I did not made any changes into that. So if you want to know that also, here itself we can understand that in application where the destination file is there. Destination file will be at on desktop only. Just I'm opening it. Just I'm opening it. I will let you know how it is there, right? So this is the destination file. When you go to that product name, we can observe that what are the various. This is not product name. We made some changes into somewhere, right? Customer name. Customer name we made some changes. Here we can compare both the things. So here this is destination file. We can see the title. Destination file. This is source file will be there. One more source file. Here it is. Yeah, source file here it is. In the source file. In the source file, row number 7. This is the row number 7. I made changes. And one more thing is row number 14. I made changes. And row number 18. I made changes. Okay. So in the same way, just go to that destination file and compare row number. What is the? This is row number 7. Yeah, row number 7, 14, 18. Row number 7, 14, 18. Okay. Row number 7, 14, 18. This is row number 4. Row number 7, 14, 18. This is 14 and 18. Just compare that. Compare that. Here actually this is the name. P.T. Chris and Andrew Allen and Borson Huffman. So, but I made changes into the source file. Both are the different things. Now, in this application, what I'm trying to do is, in this application, here I took 2 things. So, destination file I'm selecting here. The destination file also selecting here. So, you already observed that. When you click on this advanced options, so it is displaying that entire columns, what are the various columns are available. We made changes in the customer name, right? This is the customer name. And here also the customer name will be there. Both customer name. I'm comparing 2 columns of 2 different sheets, source and destination sheets. But there are many number of rows are there. But in that rows, in which row, how many number of rows are different values. Same column, different rows having different values. I'm validating it. You will find the result. Now see that when you click on that validate, it will identify that. Mismatching is 2. So I think we have not changed, we have not saved. When we are making some changes in a source file, I should save it. Otherwise, that third will not be affected. In experiment, I made only 2 changes. Now I made 3 changes. I'm saving it first. Otherwise, that change will not be affected. Once again, I'm rerunning the application and checking. Just observe that. Rerunning the application, these 2 things will be enabled unless until we are not loading the source data. So I'm loading the source data. I'm loading the destination data here. Right. And then only advanced options will be enabled. Validation will not be enabled. So when you click on this, that what are the various columns are there in source and destination, all columns will be retrieved, and it will create a selection list and a display over there. Yeah. So it is taking time to read all the column headings and adding to that selection list. Now here, customer name we made some changes, right? When you are selecting both the columns only, that validation will be selected. Just I'm clicking on this validation. So it has to display 3 columns. Yes. Now when you click on this download summary, it will be downloaded in a Excel format. Just go there and open it. Go there and open it. validation summary. So we can see that. So this is the source column, source value and destination value. What is the column we have selected? We know that customer name. In the customer name, source value this one, destination value this one. I think you are achieved this exact result what you are trying to do. Okay. Thank you.